What's going on, guys? Well, I got a nice live trade here for you today. Actually got a couple, and it was just one of those days where I had one really good solid trade idea, and I really wanted to see if I could execute it properly. It took me a couple of tries to get it right. I was red on the day. I had given back 50% of my profit of the prior day, all right, or a little bit more, and I went ahead and waited and waited and waited. On my third attempt of the morning, I was able to capture that trade, and boy, was it a good one. It was a solid trade. And now on this quick challenge that I have for myself, we're over 50% of the way to finally passing the 150K evaluation account. Now remember, I've already passed the 50K account months ago, and that's the account I normally trade in. However, I decided to do a challenge where I do it live on the stream with you guys every morning. The challenge was as follows: how fast can I get a 150K account evaluation passed? Right? How fast can I pass it? And so far, I've been trading in it about 3 days, and we're over the 50% mark. So if all goes well, this account should be passed sometime next week. Right now, let me go ahead and show you this live trade. As we go ahead and jump into that, I want to remind you, the futures course is on pre-sale, right now. Okay, we have a discount, and you can go ahead and grab that discount. It's down there in the description and in the comments section. All right, so make sure you take advantage of that, as well as the discounts that are going on with the firm I trade with, description and comment section as well. Right, guys, let's go ahead and jump into the live trade. Really nice push already. I'll put a sell order there at 4107. See if I can get a fill. Let me track my. That was a really nice bounce there. I can't believe we're not gonna just put one of those humongous candles through 4108. Guys, I'm gonna sell a piece here. I think. Yeah, I'll sell the piece there. Guys, I'll stop out the rest of this thing at break even if it gets down here to this area. I thought we were gonna get some more oomph off of that, man. I'm gonna sell. I'll sell 2 more there. Now I'm in 6. Let's see if we can get a little bit more of a move. My God, there's so much selling. There it is. I can show you the coffee. Bang. Let's get back to work here and keep managing this trade. We knew we were on point with that reversal idea, guys. We knew we were on point with it. How many contracts do I have left? I have 4 left. I'll sell 2 more there. I'm gonna hold on to these. See, I'm gonna hold on to these a little bit. I'll cut them loose. Become too much lower there, because the last thing I want to do is double top up here. We could double top easily. That's a good trade, guys. We're back in the green on the day. All right, this is exactly what we were talking about yesterday, risk management, right? We're back to green on the day now. We can always watch for re-entries. I'm going to tell you guys in a minute, once we're done with this trade, I'm going to tell you why I'm being even extra quicker on these takes. I mean, I can just tell you right now. I'm keeping an eye on my trailing stop. Or on my trailing stop, right? That's what we call it here on the prop firm account. The trailing stop, trailing auto liquidation zone. Because you're in here with some size, you get a big push, and you don't take profits, and then all of a sudden your trailing stop just pushed all the way up there with you, and you pull back, and you're like, oh, I'm gonna stop out here because I'm still in profit anyway, so I'll just stop out, or I'm gonna hold on to it because I can stop out at break even, whatever. But then you get hit by that trailing stop. And you get hit by the trailing stop, and you're like, damn it, I was in a winning trade. Why did I? Well, because that's what happens. They want you taking profits along the way. They want you scaling out of trades. They don't want you leaving profit on the table. So you got to keep an eye on that trailing stop. Yeah, the beast. Good eye. Good eye. I like that. Really good eye, man. A little bit of a cup and handle formation there. Good eye, the beast. Here's your little cup and handle. Here's your handle portion. If we break again over 4108, this thing could start to make a little move. 4108, 200 contracts on that level. It's just getting bought up, but then they throw more right on top of it. Yo, Bill, congrats. Nice job being green. Oh, that I was putting an order out on the ask. That thing got executed mighty fast. Got filled at 41,110 where I was putting it. Good Lord. Are really moving there, guys. We have room here towards about 4115 or so, based off of the hourly chart. Next potential resistance zone. At that resistance zone on the SPY as well. This is resistance zone right here. Then we have resistance up at around 4115. That cup and handle, man. I almost added, thanks to the beast identifying that cup and handle. I almost added back. I just didn't get it. I didn't get a chance. I was gonna add back, not to full size, but I was gonna add back some more contracts there. Would have worked out beautifully. Good eye, my man. We have some minor resistance here at 4112. If that holds up resistance, we could see a drop back down towards 4102 or so. But if we can break 4112, I think we should get up there and test 4115, which I think will be some resistance. But I don't know. I think we could break it as well, but I'm not going to be extra greedy. I'll take that. And we're already up 8.5 points. Already back well into the green on the day now. We'll just close it there then. Yes, so that's it. Those are the trades I had Thursday morning. Friday, we know the market's closed. So we'll try to do it all again starting Monday. I stream every day, Monday through Friday at 9:15 a.m. I hope to see you there. Smash that like button for me. Oh, and if you have a question, leave it in the comment section.